how to access Duolingo Math on Android. So if you want to access Duolingo Math on Android, then what you need to do is first open up your Google or your browser. Once you open, go with the search, and under search, you need to search for Duolingo Join Beta. Once you search here, on the first search you will get a Reddit post, right? So you just simply tap on how to join the beta under the Reddit, and here on the upper right you will have the join option, right? But if you don't have the join option, then don't worry. Here, if you scroll down, then you will get a link through which you will be able to join to beta. Simply tap on the link and you need to log into your account. So go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then tap on sign in, and here you need to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to access the Duolingo Math on Android. And now you'll be able to use Duolingo Math on your Android. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.